Good morning, this is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in about a minute. I did take a trade this morning in pre-market on UA and just got a quick $75 out of it. But we'll see what happens as, like I said, market opens up. Actually, market should open up here. There we go. We are underway. Have my initial order here on SAEX at 1145. So we'll see what happens in regards to that. All right. Up over, well, it was up over 11. Got as high as 1118. Had my order in there at 1145. So we'll see if it wants to move back up there or not. There's the break. And back down it goes. So I will keep you updated on it. All right, looking to change things up here and look to build a position on the long side. Initial order at 985. So we'll see if it can break down through the $10 mark. So how quickly the tides can turn. Actually, I'm going to go 975 here. So I will keep you updated on that one. All right, sorry I missed the entry point, trying to multitask here. Got 500 shares at 11.15. Would like to build into a bigger position, but if it wants to give me a quick $50, I will take that. So let's see what happens with it here. Again, I apologize for missing the entry point. There we go. Excellent. So trying to get some shares out at 11:30. It does not want to pull back and give those to me though. There we go. I got those out. So what I'm going to do is put a stop loss in at 1151 and move it down. Okay, going to move that down to 41 now. So I'm out there at 43. So ultimately just made $33.50 on it because I did take a loss on these last 500 shares. I wanted to let it work for me. So not the best trade, but I was in a good spot to really succeed if the price did go in my direction. It just didn't go in my direction, but that's all right. I'll live to fight another day and want to get another order out there. So we'll try at 12.25 to short. So I will, no promises. I'm trying to do some real estate stuff too while I do this. So I'll do my best to capture the entry point, but I kind of just looked up and I saw that I was in on this one. But all right, looks like it's going to kind of pause right here for a second. So I will, I'll do my best. All right, looking to get filled here for an introductory order. There we go at 987. We'll take a quick $60, which it gave me right there, or look to build more. So I would like to build more. So let's see if it can give me some there at 9. Actually, upon further review. Go 962. So look to start the whole process over again, build a position into this pullback, but if it wants to give me some quick, $50, $60 bills, and I'm not going to turn those away. So we'll see if it can get down there to 962 or not. I'll let it run a little bit. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause it right now. All right, looking to take advantage of this move here and build into, actually, I think this thing wants over 19. So I'm going to scatter out a few orders up there over 19. Oh, it hit 19. Come on. Get over. Well, maybe not. Maybe it doesn't want over 19. There we go. So looking to build a bigger position. Excellent. At 1,000 shares now. And we'll put a stop in. Oh, shoot. Well, before I could get my stop in, that other order got taken out. But I will gladly restart the process here. So if it wants to move back up, shoot. I'm not sure if you saw what happened, but while I was going to put in my stop loss, that 1901, I should have canceled that first in the process of elimination, but that's all right. 136 on that, so let's see what else I can find. And just something to point out real quick, a lot of times, and I'm not going to say everybody, but a lot of, people are, that they come across as, you got to have huge wins and all this. And if you look over here, I mean, there is nothing gigantic. I would not call any of these gigantic wins, but when you combine them, I'm up over $300 and it's not even an hour into the day. So don't fall for the trap of you have to have massive winners or anything like that. Just follow your system. Now, if you don't have a system, that's a whole nother discussion. But if you do have a system, follow the system and just let it add up for you. You do, by no means, you need to hit home runs, grand slams. Now, are home runs and grand slams, do they happen? Sure, but it's not like it needs to happen every single trade. So take what the market gives you. And again, there's power in numbers. I mean, 3 separate trades, yeah, individually, okay, yeah, whatever. But add them up, and, it's a whole nother picture. So I guess that's my little... I'll get off the soapbox now, but don't let the some of the marketing out there fool you into thinking you have to have huge gains. Well, I'm thinking of it, the big popular question that I always get from these videos, which makes sense, is, hey, Clay, how are you finding these setups? How are you finding these stocks to trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I am using to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if you're interested in getting the guide, like I said, totally free, just click right there and I will email it to you. It's very short and to the point, so it's not like it's going to take you 3 weeks to read through it or anything like that. It's put together in list format. And like I said, I put it together with time efficiency in mind. So again, click right there if you're interested. Let's see if I can find one more trade. All right, it is 10:30, an hour into the day, and to be honest, I got distracted with more real estate stuff. Closing on one of my properties this week, so just working with the title company, just other stuff. I'll leave it at that. I'm not going to bore you with real estate investing stuff. So I totally got distracted and haven't even really been paying attention to the markets. And I got to keep working on this other stuff. But I caught some good trades there. And, I got kind of the lesson across, I suppose, in terms of you don't have to have huge winners in order to have nice mornings. So really it broke down to about $300 in the first 45 minutes. And I'm definitely not going to complain about that, especially when I know there's plenty of plenty of time left in the day. So as always, click that like button if you enjoy these videos. And check out the rest of the channel too. There's other videos that I do offer. And ultimately, I hope you do decide to subscribe to the channel. ClayTrader.com if you're interested in joining my private trading group or taking any of the training courses I offer. So definitely check that stuff out too. But as always, to all of you that are clicking that like button, leaving comments, I appreciate it. And I will see you back for the next video.